You think your immune system lives in your blood? It doesn't. It lives in your gut. Right now, inside your intestines, trillions of soldiers are being trained for a war you never notice. And here's what almost nobody tells you. Most of your immune system isn't floating through your bloodstream waiting to react. It's stationed along a thin wall in your gut, watching everything you eat, everything you touch, everything that enters you. Scientists call this gut-associated lymphoid tissue, and by many estimates, it holds somewhere around 70% of your body's immune cells. Not in your blood, not in your lymph nodes, in your gut. Why would your body put its army there? Think about it. Your intestines are the biggest border your body has. Every meal is a foreign delegation. Every microbe on your food is a potential invader. Your body needed a checkpoint, so it built one, lined with immune cells that inspect almost everything before it's allowed to matter. But here's the twist. This army doesn't just fight, it learns. Researcher Sarkis Mazmanian at Caltech showed that a single species of gut bacteria, Bacteroides fragilis, can actually teach immune cells how to behave, correcting immune imbalances in mice almost like a training manual written in bacteria. Your immune system isn't just defending you. It's being coached daily by the very microbes living inside you. That should sound strange. It is strange. You are hosting the recruits and the drill sergeants in the same building. That discovery came out of immunologist Dennis Kasper's lab at Harvard, where Mazmanian did this work as a young researcher. Together, they showed that molecules produced by gut bacteria directly shape which immune cells develop and how aggressively they respond. Remove the right bacteria, and the training breaks down. Immune cells become confused. They can't tell friend from threat as clearly anymore. This is where autoimmune conditions start creeping into the story. Some researchers now believe that a disrupted gut microbiome doesn't just cause digestive problems, it can miseducate the immune army stationed there, making it more likely to misfire against your own tissue later. A gut out of balance can quietly become an immune system out of balance. Have you ever gotten sick right after a stomach bug, weeks later, somewhere completely unrelated? That's not a coincidence your doctor can always explain in one sentence. Your gut immune system remembers disruptions. It reroutes resources. It shifts its training program. Justin Sonnenberg at Stanford has spent years showing how quickly gut bacteria populations shift in response to diet, and how those shifts ripple outward into immune signaling throughout the entire body. So every meal is doing two things at once. It's feeding you, and it's feeding, or starving, the trainers of your immune system. Here's the part that reframes everything. You've probably pictured your immune system as a defense force, something reactive, something that waits for an enemy. But inside your gut, it's the opposite. It's proactive. It's constantly sampling, constantly learning, constantly updating its understanding of what is safe and what isn't, based on signals from bacteria most people never think about. What if the food you ate this morning already changed how your body will respond to a virus next month? What if forgetting this fact is the real mystery, not some rare disease, but a system so well hidden in plain sight that we call digestion something separate from defense, when your body never made that distinction at all? Next time you eat something, picture it. Somewhere behind your stomach wall, a silent boot camp is in session. Recruits are being shaped, instructors are handing out lessons in molecules instead of words, and the outcome of that daily invisible training will decide how your body meets its next threat, whether that's tomorrow or 20 years from now. Consider what that means for something as ordinary as a bad week of eating. Skip the fiber, skip the variety, feed only the bacteria that thrive on sugar, and little else. The training program inside you starts to narrow. Fewer lessons, fewer instructors, a less prepared army, long before you ever catch a cold. You think your immune system lives in your blood. It actually lives in the choices you make about what enters your gut every single day.